going to make a creamy mac and cheese, which is one of my favorite food. I don't need any help in the kitchen with it today. And it's going to be in a different way. The stuff that we need is macaroni, salt and pepper, sour cream, 3 different cheese, Havarti, 3 different cheese in your fridge that you have at home to make a delicious mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. We'll start by cooking our macaroni. So this is a very fast step to do what I'm going to do, and I'm going to show you how. Now we're going to put our cheese in the oven for 13 minutes. My cheese is melted. My macaroni is done cooking. And now it's time to add the macaroni to my cheese and the sour cream to my cheese. Now it's time to eat and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Izzy Kitchen 2020. Mac and cheese, mac and cheese.